Good evening, everyone. First of all, I would like to apologize for not being able to be there. I'm going to discuss the employee concern and the environmental concern of the new Belgium Brewery from their ethical point of view. As mentioned before, on the core belief, they try to create an authentic relationship. They show this belief on the treatment they give to their employees. New Belgium Brewery is a company that offers a great work environment. In 2008, the company was named the best place to work in America by the Outside magazine. One of their characteristics is that they prefer to have an open management style where the employees have access to the numbers and how good or bad the company is doing. They show utilitarianism by seeking the best for their employees. New Belgium also like to take care of their employees, especially those who have been working for a long time there. After the first year, the employee is given a bicycle so they can commute to their workplace. After 5 years of being working with the company, they give a all expense paid trip to Belgium so they can know the company believes a little bit more. As you know, the company was based on a trip to Belgium. These options that the company give show the desire for good interpersonal relationships. The employer-employee relationship is a great one. This is an example of their interactional justice. The employees receive a different benefit that other companies don't have. We can measure how successful the company is on creating a great work environment by their labor turnover rate, which is really low. It's at 7%. They really like to take care of their employees. In 2012, the companies became fully owned by their employees, which means that the employees own all the stocks. They still having a CEO, which is the first owner, but the company itself is owned by their employees. Another core belief that we mentioned earlier was they want to have a low resource consumption and to protect the environment. A couple of systems that they have established toward these beliefs are the use of recycled products for their offices and their bottles and their kegs. They'll try to reuse them. They try to reuse a lot of their waste product. They have a plant that treat their wastewater, so they can reuse it. They also, from that wastewater, they retrieve a bacteria that cause the wastage, and they use that bacteria to create fish food or high protein fish food. And they also reuse the barley and the hops that they have left from the production of the beers. They reserve those barleys and hops, and they give them away to the local farmers so they can feed their pigs. They also have a different renewable sources for electricity. They use sun tubes to give clarity to their buildings. They also try to use as much as renewable electricity as possible. And with all of this system, what they have achieved is 100% of their electricity is renewable. From these actions, we can conclude that they have chosen this path to create a career growth. As in theology, they have helped society and protect the environment. Their environment protections actions are accepted as a good actions by society. This demonstrates that they follow universal principles. Finally, their ethical decisions have set the standard within their business. These decisions affect the whole industry by putting pressure on other companies to preserve the environment. New Belgium Brewery is a company proud of their environmental protections. Next, I will show you their internet page where they showcase all of their efforts to protect the environment. After this, our group will discuss the social concern of the company.